Just sit down, don't worry. Don't squat.
Okay, Mama.
I'm Neke. You know why I called you? I get market so I won't make you go drop for me. You know say, hi, Skimpo. Ekelebe don't do me rubbish for this zanga. But it be things. If na Skimpo dey, Skimpo go deliver, no trouble. But like this one, I not to trust you.
Mama.
I'm Neke.
Mama.
They all they use my market, they play. You see this market? An eye for an eye. Sekelebe hold you for road, you know who sign me.
Run.
If my market lost, I go waste you. I go delete you, bro. You know say normally you be my Igbo brother. And if they want dig grave, na 6 feet. Na 2 feet straight. If you try me, you know your bodo now.
Mama, forget it. Now, skip all the other people. Now they block my shine. Mama, bring this small drag.
Why you begin to smoke?
Mama, leave all this matter. I think I live for Cyprus before, Abi. How dare would they do the thing? Mama, all this one don't reach to the
Hey, don't give me my smoke. Why they smoke the thing like say a cigar they smoke?
Mama, chill.
You see this market what I give you? Putting there here na 100 pa. If you try me,
No.
that one leg,
No.
one name delete, eh?
Mama, see ya. Mama, chill. I go deliver this thing, Mama.
No adding, no subtracting. The subtracting 9 was part. I'm here not to trust smoke.
Mama, I go deliver this.
Smoke, you know, they stress
Mama, I
forward.
go deliver this thing.
Collect my money
Mama.
before you give a market.
Mama, relax. Mama,
Now pay before service.
If I meet Smokey, as I dey come, now Smokey you call, you say this guy na correct guy.
Me, I don't dey trust people when they talk too much. Now for this anger, me and you.
Wow. My mama when you say, man, don't try this thing, say, pass me, pass me cup. You know what, Abi?
I'm going high.
That is my mama say the high person. I don't feel high now. It makes me feel like.
I'm going higher.
Where the guns were I say may you bring?
God curse you. I swear. Even toy God curse. Come on, toy God, I won't go buy. All those who that toy God, say man, go that they do shaka for the cities. They say 500 naira. 500 naira for
God, see the kind of rubbish wey dey talk for mouth. What about the gun wey take dey work all these days? What if armed robber come now? How you wan take defend yourself?
blood of Jesus.
Now you go take defend yourself.
You be safe.
I swear.
I don't have God reach some levels. I don't
If boys shoot gun and you run comot for here, you go get accident.
You dey be play pass.
So, officer, I like what people are doing here. You are compassionate, very, very hardworking, people are committed by your job, hardworking. You understand? And people will say you are not our friend, but you people are our friend really. You're doing a good job. You're doing a good job. So this is drug, normal. Drug. But I lost my way to who I want to deliver the drug.
Run,
But who will I ask again if not a policeman like you?
run,
I like it. Hey!
You said you are looking for one
Smokey!
Smokey.
Wow, that's his name. Smokey. So, Smokey. And my mama sent me.
Okay, so who is this your madam?
No, I don't know my mama. You guys don't know my mama. Huh? My mama's name is Oyobodo. We don't know my mama very well now.
Hey, Oyobodo.
Oyobodo!
We miss Oyobodo very well. Oh, wow. Where is she staying now?
Now, it's very simple. So, when you walk down straight, just very down. Yeah. Like, take your right, then your left, you corner straight down. Not all right. Then you now see a house. It looks like it's not a hideout, but a hideout. So
This particular
left. Yeah.
Okay.
Just down. No. You want me to?
You know the place.
I know the. It will be like it's not hideout. Oh, normally na hideout.
Hey. You know what will happen now? You want to give me these drugs, I will help you.
Exactly.
Ah, police are the help people now. Ah, nice one.
Then I will hold it for you. And as for Smokey, we will lead you.
At the time,
We're not smoking.
hey, we're not smoking.
70 years old man.
Before I come here, I tell Mama say, I go make sure say by the time I deliver this job, she will know say I am an asset.
No wonder. When you came in, I was wondering the kind of courageous guy that you are. You the police officer. How did he hit you?
Me like this.
You were hitting us like this. Wow.
It's your
We are friends. So right now, you are connected now
Yeah, we are
to the
connected.
right source.
Yeah.
To station because we are leading to the station now. Yes.
Wow.
Yes. To the
Then we
station.
will take escort to which station?
Smoking station. Yeah. Smoking station.
70 years old
Yes.
man.
You know, right now we are.
Oga, why you dey drag?
We'll drag you on Twitter, we'll drag you on Instagram.
Awe mama do so ba o, e mama na mo no ge weleke. Ama so ba ye gbebe ba su bebe. Nana